you can't fight the forces of nature, I guess that it's all up to the ultimate creator. He was running down the road, he was running out of time, into a fresh start with it buried deep inside. Now there's tears on that river, and he don't know why. He's got a secret locked deep inside, but the wheels on that truck keep spinning round as those storm clouds come around. He's moving on to blue skies until he knows what's locked inside. He's doing what he knows now to be a good man. 10 years down the road, he finally understands. I finally climbed that mountain, something pulling me behind. Now I understand why she was on my mind. 'Cause you can't fight the forces of nature, I guess it's all up to the ultimate creator.